Good morning, everyone. This is Various Smith with the Inland Empire WordPress Meetup Group, and I am here to share a helpful tutorial with you to get your day started. And today we will be looking at a easy way to set up your website on your local host. And the first way we're going to do that is Desktop Server or ServerPress. And all you need to do is have the Desktop Server software installed from serverpress.com. So you go to serverpress.com, and they have a free download, and you can get three websites for free, or you can upgrade to a premium membership and create unlimited local websites and have one button deployments to your website server, wherever that is. Lots of other great things: command line interface, PHP 7 support, internet sharing and easy collaboration, support for Dreamweaver, lots of great stuff with the premium version of Desktop Server. So go ahead and check that out. But what you can still use is the free version. This morning I have the premium version, but nothing that I do in the premium version this morning will be anything that you cannot do on the free version. So the very first thing you need to do is, once you've installed the Desktop Server software, then all you need to do is start it on your computer. So what I'm going to do is find the Desktop Server icon on my dock. It may be in your applications folder. On your Windows computer, it's probably going to be in C drive underneath a folder called XAMPP. So find that and then click into the folder and start it. I've clicked on the icon, and all I need to do when Desktop Server starts is click Restart Desktop Server with Privileges. I have the check for new version before restarting checked as well, but that's not really a big deal for me right now. So I click Next, and I'll add my password. And for those of you who are curious, my password is password. No, I'm just kidding. So once I've restarted that, I can create a new development website. All I do is make sure that's checked, create a new development website, click Next, and I can add the name of my website. I'll call this Test Website. And the top level domain name is a proprietary domain name owned by Desktop Server. It's .dev.cc. And the WordPress install that I'm going to use is going to be the 5.2.3 version of WordPress. And all I need to do is click Create. And Desktop Server goes through and it creates the source folders, the virtual hosts, the server name entries, creates a database and pre-configured WordPress files. And it also restarts the web and database services, which would be MySQL and Apache and PHP. And then it's done. I click Next, and I can click on this link that Desktop Server gives me. It tells me configuration is complete. You're now finished. You can now finish your desktop WordPress setup. Please specify title, username, and password by visiting the home page in your web browser. So when I click on that link, it will open in my home browser, and I will choose English language, and I will say Desktop Server Example, and then I will go to username, and I will add my username. Since it's local, I'm only going to use admin. If I were going to put this on my server, I'd eventually add a new username, admin. And then for my password, yes, I'm going to use password. And of course, it's very weak, so I'll confirm the weak password, and I'll just add a dev email address inside of here. And once that is done, then I will install WordPress. And once the WordPress is installed, I can log in, and all I need to do is change this to admin, and password, and that should log me into my dashboard. And ta-da, I am now into my desktop server install. Welcome to the dashboard, and we've done it.